Kamusta? This is your Guru, Kairo. For today, the topic that we're gonna talk about, the word for today is, what was it again? Oh, I remember. It's, paano. It means how. P-A-A-N-O. Paano. Paano. It means how. So first, to be able to say it, piano, right? Piano, like an instrument. Piano. P-I-A-N-O. But what you're gonna do is change the I to A. The P-I is gonna become P-A. Paano. Paano. It's not piano, but paano. Paano means how in Tagalog. In Tagalog, it means how. It's like, how do you do that? Paano? It's that kind of how. So basically, paano just means how. For example, you're doing some kind of thing like fixing something. Of course, then someone asks, how? Like paano? How do you fix that? Paano? Paano means how. I'm just explaining the paano. So yeah, paano is how. The best way for you to be able to remember this is whenever you think of piano, but you change the P-I to P-A, it's gonna become paano. So you wanna forget the paano word, the how. Oh wait, paano means how in the Philippines. In the Tagalog, yes. In Tagalog. So yeah, you'll be able to remember it as long as you think of piano. Like how. So yeah, this is your Guru, Kairo. Good morning. Good. Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon. Good eve. Bye bye. Yes, I'm kinda out today. I'm very sorry. Apologies for that. Yes. Bye bye. Peace.